viewers. So this is rounding off of numbers to significant figures. If you are to round off any number to maybe 1, 2, or 3 significant figures, you simply count the number of figures that you need, and then the remaining digits will become zeros. For instance, 35487. If we are to round it up to one significant figure, you just count 1. That's the first digit, 1, which is 3. Then after that 3, the next digit is 5. So that means this 3 will become 4. And then 5487 will now be 0000. So every other value will become 0, because we have one significant figure. So we have to have just a digit. Now, 2, you count 1, 2. The next one is not up to 5. So that means 487 will become 0, and I'll have 3 and 5. So we have 35000. Then 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3. The next one is up to 5. So if you add it to this 4, it will become 5. So we have 35500. Now, coming to this kind of number that has both the whole number aspect and decimal, it's the same thing that we did here. You just add 1. The first one is 8. And then the next number there is 1, which is not up to 5. So that means we'll still retain that 8. 1 and 9 will become 0. The digits after the decimal point, they have no use. 2 significant figures, you count 1, 2. The next one is 9. That means we'll add 1 to this one, making 2. Then this 9 will now become 0. So we have 8, 2, 0. Now to 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3. The next digit after this point is up to 5. So that means we'll add 1 to this 819. That makes it 820. So when you have this type, 0.007839, you start counting your 1 from this point. This is 1. So if it is 1 significant figures, our answer will be 0.00. The first digit is 7, but the next one is 8. That means we'll add 1 to this 7. That makes it 8. So the other digits there, we just neglect them. Unlike here where we turn them to zeros. But since this after decimal point, there is no point writing zeros after the 8. Now to 2 significant figures, we have 1, 2. The next one is not up to 5. That will be 0.0078. And lastly, to 3 significant figures, we have 1, 2, 3. Because of this 9, we'll add 1 to this 3. That makes it 4. 0.00784. So this is how to round off numbers to significant figures.